How you going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to be back working on the Jeep and I'm going to be carrying out a repair on the carbon fibre trims. What I'll do is I'll just show you exactly what's going on with the car here. So as you can see here, the carbon fibre trim, the adhesive on the back here has came away, and now pretty much this carbon fibre trim piece here is spring loaded. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean off the back rather than removing the full thing. I'm just going to try cleaning the back here, giving it a little light sand, cover everything up, and then apply some glue, and then hopefully push this back in and then let it set. So let's try it now. Because the situation is, if I have to replace this, I've got to pull the radio compartment off and buy a full complete part here, which obviously I don't want to do. I want to save myself some money, and if I can get away with just gluing this back into position here, then I'll be happy with that. So what I'll do, just so I don't get any glue running down onto the chrome here or onto the glove box compartment here, I'll pull this down and then I'll mask this off with some tape and then cover this area, and then that way if there's any spillage of the glue, it's not going to damage anything. I'll just remove these floor mats just in case I get any glue there. So as you can see, I can actually get my finger behind the carbon fibre here. So all I'm going to do is just rough up underneath here, just to give it a little bit of a key, so it's going to promote better adhesion with the glue. I'm just going to cover this chrome piece here just so that I don't scratch it. All I'm going to do is just take a grey Scotch pad . I'm just now going to clean the area with some wax and grease remover or Windex, whatever you've got. I'm just using a little pick here just to make sure that I get into the very back. There's a couple of things that I can use. I've got this Araldite here, 5-minute Araldite epoxy, and I've also got the JB Weld epoxy. I've looked at both of these, and this pretty much is ready like in 5 minutes. The setting time is 5 minutes, and then it can take up to 16 hours. This one here takes a little bit longer. It sets in 46 hours, cures between 15 and 24 hours. So I'm going to try this one first, see if that does the job. All I'm going to do is just mix this up here in this little tray. All I'm going to do is just go under with the brush and gently smother it on. And now just make sure that the glue is smothered onto the back of the trim piece. All I'm doing here is taking a piece of wood, say a bit of 4x2, covering it with a towel at both ends, and then that way it won't damage the carbon fibre trim piece or my leather seat. And then I'll push forward the electric seat until I get it into the correct position. All I'm going to do is let this set and harden overnight and come back and check it in the morning. It's the next day here, guys, so what we'll do, have a look. Well, that seems to have done the trick. Hopefully that should last for another little while. And that's it, guys. Thanks very much for watching. Take care.